responsibility for inculcating a learning attitude is rest of the attitude. I think that is what is very important. That's when you know that being a jack of all trades, master of none is very easy said than done, but knowing everything, creating awareness about you, and then discovering yourself, what is it that you like to be good at, what you want to, what you are good at, and what you like to, what you call, develop a career choice, and that I think is very, very important. Yeah.
Regarding the topic itself, it's a jack of all and master of none. Rather, I would say that a person who is doing business, of course, has to be a jack of all, but at least master of one, not none, but at least master of one. So that's what is provided in the specialization part. See, even if we start a small business, let us just go practically into it. Right? If we start a small business, for example, a cloth merchant on the road who is selling his cloths, right? Hadmal 100 rupees, Hadmal 10 rupees, something like that. Because business is something on the reality, right? So let us talk of something real. So if a person over there is selling the clothes like that on the street, what skills he is required to have? Doesn't he require a skill of marketing? Doesn't he require a skill of how to manage people? He also needs to manage the finances. He also needs to have some operational thing coming out, that if the stock is going down, how come he will be able to lift it up again, because potential consumers are there. He must know how to advertise himself. He must know how to sell himself. So that is, and of what master he would like to be having, the textile particular literacy is working for. So when we are going for management education, what is required in the industry is this skill, that at least you will be able to manage various things at a time, right? To the extent it is required, right? For example, if you want to work, suppose in